Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can extend the battery life on this device if you was to ever lose it. So this is very useful if you lost the phone overnight and the last thing you remembered that the battery was running low, but you want to locate the device to find out where it is, but you're just a bit concerned because the battery was low, and you're frightened that the device might actually die before you can actually locate it. I'm going to show you how you can extend the battery life so that you can then have enough time to locate and find the device. Okay, so it's real simple to do, guys. So obviously you've lost the phone, so I'm going to move it out of the way. So what you need is another Samsung device. So I've got the Note 10 here. So I've borrowed this phone from a family member. So just try and borrow another Samsung device from a family member. If you cannot borrow another Samsung device, you can also use a PC or a non-branded Samsung device. I will show you that towards the end of the video, but for now I'm just going to show you what to do if you can get access to another Samsung device. Just simply pull down the notifications and go into the settings, and here you will see Samsung account. So just log in to your Samsung account, so enter your email and password, and once you've logged into the Samsung account, then you're just going to scroll down to biometrics and security, and then scroll down to where it says find my mobile. Select it and then click on this link here, findmymobile.samsung.com, and you might need to log back in again with your Samsung account. So if it requires you to, just simply enter your email address and password for your Samsung account and log in. And then up here in the top left hand corner, select that little tab, and you will see all your Samsung devices that you have linked to your Samsung account. So select your Ultra, your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and then you will see the map here of where your device is, where your lost phone is. So it's showing that mine is right here at 5th Avenue East. So that's where my lost S21 Ultra is located. But like I said, guys, maybe you're a bit concerned that your battery was running low. So by the time you actually get there, your phone battery might have died. You're a bit concerned that the battery might die, and then you won't be able to find the device. Just select this option here, extend battery life. And it explains what it does. So extend your battery life using maximum power saving mode. The mode's name depends on the device and software. While battery life is extended, data won't be backed up to Samsung Cloud. Go ahead and hit extend. And now it's extending your battery life. And as you can see, the power saving mode has been applied to my lost Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So now I will have more time to locate my lost device. As you can see, the battery will not die for 7 days and 4 hours remaining. Okay, so if you have a non-Samsung device, so I've got a Nokia here, all you have to do is just open up the Google search or Google Chrome web browser and type in Find My Mobile Samsung, and you will see the top link here, Find My Mobile. Make sure it says findmobile.samsung.com. This is the genuine website. Don't click on the link if it does not say findmymobile.samsung.com, because it could be a fraudulent website that looks similar to this, and the last thing you want to do is enter your details into a site like that so that they have all your information. So just make sure it says findmobile.samsung.com and then just click on the link and then sign in using your Samsung account details. And once you've signed in, it will take you to this page here, and you just select the little tab up there, select your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and then just follow everything that I have just shown in the video to extend the battery life and find the location of your lost device. And you can also use a PC as well, like I mentioned. So if you don't have another device, just use a PC. You just need something with a web browser, but it's still best and far easier to use another Samsung device. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If it helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload a video. See you in the next one, guys. I'm out. Doses.